How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So yeah, you're looking at my car right now. A few days ago, my wife accidentally locked the keys in the car. Apparently, in Acura's, one of the security features is if you unlock the doors, open the passenger side, and you shut the passenger side, the car for some reason decides to lock all the doors, and that's exactly what happened. So yep, we're going to try and breaking in. I'm going to unlock a new skill here. I got one of these kits on Amazon. It has all the fun stuff, airbags, and everything in there. So we're going to give this a try. I do not know how this is going to go, but let's get stuff put together and give it a try. All right, hopefully you can see me. So yeah, these are the 4 rods I need to connect. So let's get connecting. This is a brand new skill. I've never done this before. But yeah, I feel like if locksmiths can do it, I can do it. I can do anything. I never limit myself on anything in life. So one word I never use is the word can't, because I can do anything. That's just the way I am. All right, so this is a really long rod. There's honestly no way to shorten this rod, to my knowledge. But yeah, let's give this a try. Hey, buddy. All right, so let's go back, look at the car, and try to break. First thing we're gonna do is use this airbag. I'm gonna see if I can slip it in here. All right, that's not too bad. All right, let's see if we can, is it in far enough? All right, let's give this a try. I'm just gonna pump this up enough so I can fit that long stick in there. Let's see, come over here. All right, let's see if we can get it in. All right, let's see. All right, I may have pumped it up in a bad spot. Let's try a different angle here. Let's see, let's get this one pumping too. Maybe I can fit it through this little slot here. That's gonna be where I'm gonna try to fit it through. Trying to see if I got a big enough gap. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna actually loosen the one up here. We're gonna see. Ooh, that's actually pretty good. Let me put this right here and I can try to continue to pump it. I can see inside the car, which is nice. All right, I think I can get in. This is a pretty big gap. All right, let's see if we can get in here. All right, let's see. What? I am inside the car, boys. All right, now this is the hard part, is gonna figure out how to unlock the door. Maybe, let's see. I think I need to go lower, maybe? Can I get in low? I cannot get in low, so let's pump this up a little bit more here. See if I can open up the gap down here. All right, can we get in like that? You have to be careful with this rod because I've noticed that it will come unscrewed if you're not careful. I wonder if I can reach the other door. I wonder if I can, can I? Let's see. This is hilarious. Hey, I can touch the radio. Hey, that's my drinks. I can touch my drinks. But I can't touch the door lock. So I think we're gonna get a step stool and see if I can feed it through the top. Oh, I do have these wedges. Maybe I need to put in a wedge. That's probably what I need to do, actually. Throw in a wedge right here. All right, so let's see here. All right. We got a wedge. Now, with that wedge in, I might be able to move this down. Stick this out. Stick this out as well. Alright. This actually might be pretty good. I got my wedge. I got a nice gap in there. Maybe I can reach it then. So we got a nice little wedge. Let's see if I can get in this thing and flip the switch. Okay, so let's see here. Get in there. Ooh, I'm close. All right, I think I need to put one down here so I can get a little lower. All right, guys, we got the I've taken the approach of just grabbing the keys and see if I can get them out. This is not going according to plan. Alright guys, we're making good progress. I'm taking the route to trying to retrieve the keys with my hand here. Alright, let's see if we can just get the keys out. Well, we got into the car. We have a casualty. Cut my hand. Did not do what I was intended to doing with this setup. I was initially trying to get it open so I can get this in there and unlock the keys. There's a tree above me, and that tree is not, the branches hanging way too low. So this tool being so long, it would just get stuck in the trees. So I opted the best option, which is to yank the keys out through this gap here. I got the keys, the doors, they're unlocked. This one's not opening, but I'm gonna fix that in a minute. All right. So I would call this a success, even though I've cut my hand. But I did save quite a bit of money doing this myself. And there's the door right there. The door opens, my keychain's destroyed, which I don't really care about. What all that matters is we got in, boys. And yeah, I'm going to end this video. But so the main thing I want to say in this video is never doubt yourself. You can do anything, even if it's not your specialty. This was a lot harder than I thought it would be. I've cut my hand, gotta go wash it, clean it. But yeah, we got in. We saved the money from having to get a locksmith. I've learned a new skill, kinda. I guess I need more practice, but I'm not going to be practicing this, or hope I don't have to practice this much more. I'm gonna put this kit aside and hopefully I'll never have to use it again. But if I do, it'll be here. But yeah guys, that's it for the video. The moral of the story is never doubt yourself. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.